friends, this is Harmeet from ThemeHunk.com, and friends, welcome back to our tutorial in which we have learned how to use Elementor Builder and create a page using it. So friends, today we are going to create some more sections, and after that we will style our page and we will make our page live as a home page. So as you can see, yesterday we have created a text area and image area, and below that we have created a theme section area. Now I am going to create some more sections and then we will finalize our page. So again I am going to create a new section, and in this section I am going to select two column layout. Actually I am creating a about us section where we are going to add the details of our company. So in the left side I am going to add a text area where I am going to give some details of the company. So this is the text area. You can just give your text according to your requirement, and in the right side I am going to select a image module where I am going to add the image of our team. So you have to just select the image module and upload your image either from your local computer or you can add it from your media library. So I have just selected this image of the local computer, and now my image is uploaded, and click on the insert media and the image will be visible here. One more thing I would like to add here is to add the title of the section. So I'm just adding it here, and from module section I'm selecting heading module. We will give some styling to this, and we will add about as text here. Also in this text area I am going to add a button which will redirect user to the complete about us details of the website. So just move to the module area and select the button module and paste it here. After that align it as a center, or you can align a right align. You can change the text, continue reading, and again I am going to select a icon. I'm just selecting this angle icon and click on the insert button and select the icon after the text. You can see now our button is looking quite good, and currently I am leaving the link field as a blank because I have not created any about us page. So I am just leaving it as a blank, and if you want you can make your section as a middle aligned from the vertical, so it will look nice. And friends, one more thing I would like to tell you that you can see our spacing is not proper here with the above section and with the below section. So you can go to your module section and use the spacer module to make spacing proper, and in spacer module you will get some settings to manage the width of the spacer, so it will manage space between two sections. This is not necessary that you can use it in section, you can use it in anywhere where it is required. So as of now I have just selected in the about us section, and again I am selecting and I will paste it in the I have to create another section and I will paste that spacer in that section, so that when I create another module then it will give some spacing. So friends, this is the about us section. Here you will get advanced settings, and there you can manage or you can add motion effects, background effects, and border mask, positioning, responsiveness, etc. So these are the settings which are available in almost all the modules. Now you have some more modules which I am going to explain what are the functions of those modules, such as if you are creating a featured section where you can show your services or you can show your details of your website. So you can select this section and you can choose the 3-column layout here. After that you can either choose the icon module and here you can click on the icon library and can choose your icon, or you can click here. So as of now I have just selected shipping. Suppose if you are creating a shopping website, so you can give details of the shipping. Also you can use some more settings from these icon modules. So currently I am just changing the icon from the library. Suppose I'm giving the shopping icon, and after that I am selecting any other icon, which is the PayPal icon. After that I am going to give the details of this icon. So again I have to go to the module section, and first of all I will select a heading module here and give heading of this text fast shipping, align it as a middle align, and also you can go to style tab and here you can change the color of the text. Suppose the text color is now black. Similarly you can duplicate this module 2 times so that you don't have to use those settings again and again. And after that you can move this module to the other column, and now you can see our text is now available here. After that you can create SL free shopping, and at the last and in last column you can select secure payment text. If you want you can add more details about this module, so you can select the editor module and paste it in the first column, and after that you can manage it according to your requirement and just duplicate this module and drag and drop in the required position. So this will become nice, and after that you can use a module to give the heading of this section. Assign it as a module and then select the extra large icon and give the title of the module. After that you can use any spacer which will make space between your sections, and you can reduce or increase the value from this option. Below also you can give spacer so that it will look nice. Now friends, you can see almost our page is completed, and we are now just going to finalize this page, and after that we will see how we can add this page as a home page in our website. So you can see our icons and our text area and all other things are now completed. If you want you can add more stuff in your page, and this depends upon the requirement of your website. So these are the modules you can use for your website. Some of the icons you can see, these are the pro modules which are available here. If you purchase the Elementor Pro, then they will provide you these modules to use in your website. Otherwise I think free version provides plenty of options. Using it you can create a great website. Now I am just going to finalize this page, and now we will learn how to manage the header of our website and how to manage the footer of our website. So friends, as we have already learned in previous video that we have selected the Elementor full width page in which we will get header and footer of our theme. So we have to navigate to theme settings, and then we will manage the header and footer of the theme. So you have to just update your page and save it. After that, navigate to your dashboard and go to appearance tab and click on the customize panel. Here you will get option of layout. You have to click the layout tab, and here you can manage the footer and header of your page. So first of all, I am just creating a footer area where you will get three footer area. First is the above footer, second is the widget footer, and third is the below footer. Below footer will assign you to add the copyright area, or you can add anything according to your requirement. So as of now, I am just using the widget footer area to give widget in my footer. So you can see when you select the 3-column layout, it opens the button to go to widget area, and you can also manage the widget width from here. So I am just selecting the full width area from here, or you can select the content width area from here and click on the go to widget button. After that, you can see footer widget area 1, footer widget area 2, and footer widget area 3 are highlighted. You have to just click on the footer widget area 1 and click on add a widget button, and here you will get some widgets which you can use in your footer. Suppose in the first widget area, you can select the text area where you can give the address detail of your website. Here, as of now, I am just giving the dummy text. You can add your address according to requirement. After that, you have to click go back and move to the footer widget area 2, and here we have already selected a navigation menu widget. You can use it if you want, otherwise you can use any widget highlighted in this add a widget area. After that, we will move to widget area 3, and here we will add some more widgets. Suppose I am using a recent post widget. Here you can give the title latest news, or you can give any other title which you want, and here you can reduce or increase the number of posts which you want to show, and also you can choose the option display post date if you want to show that. After that, click on the publish button. So in this way we can manage our footer widget area and add the widgets in it. Now let's move to our page which we have created, and refresh this page again. And now we will see how our footer area is looking. When you scroll down below, you can see now our footer is now created, where you can see this is the address widget area, this is the link widget area, and this is the latest news which we have created in our blog section. So now let's again move to the customize panel and go to the layout section again, and we will now manage the header area of our website. So here also you will get above header, main header, below header, and transparent header option. Now we will move to main header area, and here you will get some layouts which you can use to design your website. So this layout will work for all the pages in your website. Here you will get option to disable the menu. If you want, you can disable the menu. Here you can check the last menu item which is written as a text. You can also add some search widget area, or you can add widgets, or you can add social media and button here. Now let's move below. You can see the bottom border size of the header, and you can also see the bottom border color. Also you will get option to manage your mobile menu with the help of this left, center and right option. Also menu label on small devices. If you want, you can label your menu and give text in it. Also you will get menu alignment as a stack or inline. So these options are available in the header layout of Zeta theme. Also you can choose the color scheme from dark to light. You can enable it according to your requirement. So this is the main header area. And now if you want to change this, your website title and tagline area, you have to navigate to your WordPress default settings, and here you can go to site identity, and here you can select your website logo, or you can add your retina logo, and here you can define the width of your logo. As of now, we have just selected this WordPress title and tagline area here. you can enable or disable it, or after that you can add your logo. So these are the settings of header area available in the Zeta theme. And now I am going to explain you how you can create your home page as a main page. So just navigate to WordPress default and go to home page settings. Here you will get the option of your page which we have created, that we have created my home page as a main page, and you have to just select it as a home page and it will show in the right panel. So friends, you can see our created page is now assigned as a home page which we have created just now, and you can manage this page according to your needs. If you want, you can add more modules and you can manage it according to your requirement. So in this video we have learned how to create and complete our home page and assign it as a main page in your website. So that's all for today. If you have any query, then you can comment me below, and please subscribe my channel so that you will get notification of my videos. Thanks for watching my video.